Young. How are you, Chris?
I'm doing well, thank you, Isaac.
Thanks for being with us today. Can you tell us a little bit about DECA's world-renowned competitive events program?
Absolutely. Our competitive events program is perhaps one of our main elements of our comprehensive learning program. Our competitive events program is aligned with national curriculum standards in the areas of marketing, finance, hospitality, and management. And we have about 140,000 of our members who compete in our competitive events program throughout the year at the local, association, and international level.
All right, definitely. Can you tell us a little bit about what are the different types of events that students can get involved in?
Sure. Our competitive events program has three main categories of events. We have role-play events, written events, and online events. And within each of those categories, we have specific event structures. And then within those event structures, we have very specific career pathway events.
Definitely. Well, one of the great things about that build a great organization is diversity in events and being able to hit a broad demographic of individuals. Can you tell us a little bit about those different types of ones? Because we have the written ones, as you stated, and online ones. Can you tell us a little bit more about those different categories?
Sure. I think that's one of our strengths of our competitive events program. We have a variety of event models so that basically we have an event for every student, both in their career interest and in their abilities and interests of how they perform. So, for example, our role-play events consist of an exam that contains career cluster content and also one or two role plays or interviews. Those students can compete depending on the event, either individually for the most part, or if they're in our team decision-making events, they compete with a partner.
Definitely. And what about those online events?
Sure. We have a variety of online events, including the stock market game and virtual business challenge events. And those actually allow our students to compete in their classroom through simulations in the areas of retail, business, and restaurant management, and sports and entertainment marketing as well. And so those students can actually compete in their classroom and then earn the right to compete at the international conference based on their rankings.
And one of our bigger events that a lot of students choose to thrive on our big research events. Can you tell us just a little bit about those ones?
Sure. We have a variety of types of events under our written events, whether it's our, as you mentioned, our business operations research events that encourage students to conduct research on a given topic each year in a variety of career fields, or we have our chapter team events that really promote community service, entrepreneurship promotion, and financial literacy and creative marketing. Students work in a team of 1 to 3 with their entire chapter to create an event, and then that team of 1 to 3 actually puts the written project together. We also have a variety of business management and entrepreneurship events that really help students who are interested in starting their own business, actually even owning their own business, put together a plan to either start or advance their business.
Definitely. On the lines of students writing business plans, because that's part of what DECA is. We're preparing future entrepreneurs and leaders and such. One of the great things about DECA is that we're always coming up with new things and new innovations. And on the line of student businesses, rumor has it that we have a new event coming online.
We do. We actually have 2 new events in the entrepreneurship category. One of them is a opportunity recognition event. So we're really encouraging students to think of an idea of how they could create or solve a problem and really develop the basics of that. We're not asking for a full business plan. We just want their idea and for them to be able to demonstrate that. And then we have our other business events, entrepreneurship events that we have, and then we're adding one other one. For those DECA members who are actually owning their own business currently, we want them to be able to develop a plan to further their business, to scale it, to grow it, and those students actually have to own their own business to participate in that event.
That's fantastic. How many organizations do we have with high school students already starting their own business and taking that initiative to move forward and start their careers while they're still in high school?
It's amazing. It's very cool. The number of students that do own their own business, very successful, and we're excited about that.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Chris, for coming and talking with us a little bit about our competitive events program and letting students know, our members know exactly what they have to look forward to.
Thank you.